Okay, we're going to replace the ear pads on a QC15 Bose model. These ear pads work for 15, the 2, the 25, the 35, A2, A21, A2W. The brand I'm using here is Link Dream, and you can find them on Amazon for about $20. Initially I thought that these pads, they blew out fairly quickly. You can see how destroyed they are. You shouldn't see any of the green there. If I show you the QC35 model, that's how they should look when they're new. So, like I said, I thought they went fairly quickly, and then I checked my order purchase history, and they actually lasted 5 years. And for those 5 years, I was using these fairly regularly. So guess that's why they get 4.6 stars with over 20,000 reviews. So it's probably a good brand to buy. Comes with simple instructions on how to do it, and they give you a little tool here to help push in the sides. And the first thing you do is you take the ear pads off, which I'll do in a moment. Then you put these in. They just remove these covers for the stickies. They're labeled left and right. The actual ear pad itself is generic, either left or right works for that. These are specific, and they say left and right on them. You can see it there. If you want to know left and right, the power button's always on the right side. So you can see the power button comes on there, and the jack is on the left side, the jack in your cord. And that's pretty much the same for all the Bose headsets. The right side always has the power button on it, so I'll keep you in line so you don't get out of order. So the first thing you're going to do is you're just going to peel these off. They come off very easily. And I could use these, but I'll probably change them out here. That's the inside of your ear cup. These are noise cancelling, of course. All of these QC models are noise cancelling. So that. So you just keep working it around. You can feel those clips, and you push it down until it's under. So there you have one side done, and Jesus, like a minute and a half. So I'll replace this one as well. As I was saying, this works for pretty much all of the Bose noise cancelling headsets. The cups are pretty much the same for each one. Just be sure that yours is labeled in there, that it does work for your model number. Again, it's DreamLink was the best one that I've found for the quality. I'm more worried about the quality. I'll pay the extra $5 if I see one that's got decent quality than going for the cheaper one. Anytime I see reviews that have 1 star or more than 6%, 6 or 7%, I get leery, and I start looking for something else. And don't be afraid to return stuff on Amazon. They take it back. You can call them. You can even just use the chat, and they'll send it back, take it back easily. I've once bought a heavy saw, and it was going to be like $45 to return, and I called and talked to somebody, and then they gave me a free return label, which was great. Ended up keeping the saw. But yeah, Amazon's pretty good to work with that way. They don't want to get bad reviews. Okay, so there you have it. It's all put together, and that's, what, 3 minutes? I hope you enjoyed it. And if you have any other comments you want to make or likes, go right ahead on the channel. Cheers.